everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I'm going to show you Pampered Chef's ceramic egg cooker. I've already cooked one egg in here, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, let me show you what this looks like. It is so delicious and amazing, and you'll see I have nice fluffy eggs in our egg cooker, and I made these in the microwave, and this took 50 seconds, not even a full minute, to cook these eggs. So do you guys want to learn how to do this? I'm going to show you step by step today how to make these eggs in our egg cooker. So if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button while you're here, and also go to theflipflopchef.com and join my recipe community, and you'll find access to thousands more recipes, videos, and a weekly giveaway. Now I'm going to spray this with a little bit of oil, and I've already got a lot of pressure pumped into my kitchen spritzer. By spraying this with oil, it's going to keep it from sticking. Now when you're done using your kitchen spritzer, it's really important that you burp it. Let all the air out. That way it won't the pressure won't stay built up in there and try to force out that oil, and it's going to keep your pump in good working condition for many, many years. Now we're going to take an egg, and you can do up to 4 eggs at a time in here. I'm going to just do 1 for time's sake, and since I'm only doing 1, I'm going to crack it directly into the egg cooker. If you're doing more than 1 egg for any recipe, like making a cake or scrambling a bunch of eggs, make sure that you're cracking each egg individually into a separate bowl, because if you have 1 bad egg, it is going to ruin all of the recipe. So we're going to pour 1 tablespoon of milk. I'm going to take my mini whipper, but you could also use the small whisk, or you could use a fork if you don't have one of these. We're going to whip this together. I'm going to put the lid on here, and we're going to microwave this for 40 seconds. Excuse me, we're going to microwave this for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to check it out and stir it, and only do 10-second intervals after that. So it should take about 50 seconds. So hang tight. Let me stick this in the microwave. All right. So while we're waiting on that, I do want to tell you that after you cook these, you're going to be able to add whatever salt and pepper or seasoning that you like. So I have some bell pepper and herb seasoning here. You can add this before or after you cook, but for this egg, I'm just going to sprinkle it right on the top. And so this is going to give you some great flavor for your eggs if you want something a little bit more than just salt and pepper. So we're going to set this aside, and I'll eat that later on. But some other things that you can make in your egg cooker. So I mentioned that you could do up to 4 eggs. Let me go stir this really quickly. I'll be right back. We're going to do a quick stir, and then we're going to do 10 seconds more. I'm going to go ahead and do 20. I think we'll be okay to do the 20 seconds together. So other things that you can do in this, you can do a poached egg, you can do over easy eggs, scrambled eggs, you can do like the quick oatmeal packets that you get, or you can use like quick cooking oats. I think you can even use steel cut oats. Let me use my cheat sheet here. I have never used steel cut oats in here. I thought I read that, but maybe, oh yeah, steel cut oats, quick cooking or steel cut. Let me check on our egg again, see if we're all done or if we need a little bit more time. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. Now, you'll notice that there is this really cool silicone sleeve. The ceramic is hot, but because I have this cool sleeve, it is very, very easy for me to just take it right out of the microwave. And check this out. Look at this, perfect. I like my eggs soft scrambled, so if you like them a little bit more hard scrambled, then you could put them in there a little bit longer. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, I'm using our Make and Take mason jar spoon and fork set. This is something that you can purchase separately, but if you have the Make and Take mason jar set, you get one of these with every jar that you purchase. These are pretty cool, and they are a replacement part if you want to just order this set. You're going to just separate these 2 pieces, and this is not too deep that you can't just use the fork on its own, but in our mason jar, it is a deeper container, so you can connect these together, and you have a bigger, a longer utensil to work with. So if you think this one is too short on its own, then you can connect the spoon to it, and you can eat directly out of this. This is a great product for you to take to work. And you can just take your eggs every day to work, and you can make yourself an egg when you get down and sit at your desk. So you can use this for all the eggs that you like, but You know Pampered Chef always has other ideas for their products. So next time you need to melt a stick of butter, cut the stick of butter in half, put it in here, and microwave it for about 1 minute. Every microwave is a little bit different, so if your cooking times aren't exactly the same as mine, just tweak it a little bit till you figure out the perfect time for your eggs and for melting butter. So it's great for melting butter because the lid keeps it from splattering all over your microwave, and then the silicone grip on the side makes it really easy for you to pour that melted butter wherever it is that you're going to need it. We also have an e-cookbook that you can access in my recipe community. Go to theflipflopchef.com, click the button at the top like I mentioned before, join the group, and there is a tab in the group for files. You're gonna look for the ceramic egg cooker e-cookbook. In that book, you're gonna find additional recipes that don't come on this little handy dandy card that comes with your egg cooker. You're gonna find muffin recipes, omelet recipes, mug cake recipes, French toast, so many other things that you can make in this other than just eggs. So even though it's called a ceramic egg cooker, you can use it for other foods as well. I would love to know if you have one of these, what you make with it most, and if you have any other ideas that maybe I didn't mention here today. You guys always share some amazing tips with me, so if you have a tip that I don't know about yet, please tell me so that I can try it. Another thing that you can do is you can steep hot tea in here. A lot of people like to use it for that. You put your hot water and your tea bag in, put the lid on the top, let it steep, and then when you're ready to drink it, you actually can drink right out of this mug. Now it would make a huge mug of tea if you filled it full, but you don't have to fill it all the way full. But that gripper is gonna make it really easy for you not to burn your hands. So I hope that you guys learned something that you didn't know already today. And if you have any questions or if you need to purchase anything from Pampered Chef, I am a consultant with the company and I do earn commission on anything that I sell. I would love the opportunity to earn your business, take care of you, and help you with all the products that you have. If I can help you, please let me know. And I will have more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for more. Bye everyone.